In a world interwoven with technology, artificial intelligence has emerged as the leading actor. It's a story that blurs the line between the realm of science fiction and reality. Today, we're diving into the tales of the top 5 most advanced AI in the world. Prepare for an adventure. First on our list, a familiar face. OpenAI's GPT-3. The language model that changed the game. A direct descendant of our earlier protagonist, ChatGPT. GPT-3's prowess lies in its ability to generate human-like text. But why stop at generation? GPT-3's perplexity had been reduced dramatically, enabling more accurate predictions, making conversations less perplexing and more meaningful. So why is GPT-3 at the top? The answer lies in its burstiness. This model understands the ebb and flow of human conversation, responding dynamically. And then, there's the suspense. Who will leverage this technology next? How will it transform industries? And what are the ethical implications? Next up, DeepMind's AlphaGo. An AI that defeated world champions at one of the most complex board games. Go! But this isn't just about a game. It's about the giant leap AlphaGo represents. DeepMind has moved beyond games, using similar principles to detect eye diseases and protein structures. The suspense here? What new frontiers will DeepMind conquer next? Meet our third AI pioneer, IBM's Watson. From winning Jeopardy to aiding in cancer diagnosis, Watson's story is one of adaptability. Yet, its story carries a sense of perplexity. How far can Watson's learning abilities go? And how will it balance its intelligence with the burstiness of human interaction? At number 4, we have Nvidia's AI platform. From graphic processing to self-driving cars and gaming, Nvidia has been pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The suspense? Where will Nvidia take us next in this rapidly evolving digital world? Our final stop, BlueDot, a Canadian AI platform that tracks and predicts the outbreak of infectious diseases. Leveraging AI and big data, BlueDot famously warned of COVID-19 days before the CDC or WHO. Its story brings us face to face with the potential of AI in safeguarding humanity. As we journey through the annals of AI, we can't help but marvel at the revolution unfurling before us. The leaps in technology, the potential to change our world, and the suspense of what lies ahead make this journey truly exhilarating. As we conclude, remember, these stories are still being written. The boundaries of AI are constantly being pushed. The question is, are we ready for the future AI is creating? Until we meet again, remember to stay curious, stay informed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and join us on this adventure through the realm of AI. Stay tuned for more fascinating tales from the world of technology. Until next time.